Are you over 60 and starting to notice your strength slipping away? Don't worry, today we reveal nature's secret weapons against muscle loss. Welcome to a journey where tradition meets timeless health. In just a few minutes, you'll discover powerful superfoods that help seniors fight sarcopenia naturally and stay strong for years to come. Stay tuned because what you'll learn could change your daily life forever. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, comment your thoughts, like if you care about your health, and share this with someone you love. Let's get started. Number 1. Understanding sarcopenia. Growing older is a beautiful journey, filled with wisdom, reflection, and deep appreciation for life's blessings. However, as we move gracefully through our golden years, a silent enemy often sneaks in: sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. Many believe feeling weaker is simply part of aging, but the truth is, much of this decline can be managed and even prevented. Sarcopenia doesn't just take away strength, it chips away at independence, balance, and energy. Without strong muscles, even simple tasks like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or going for a walk can become burdens. But understanding sarcopenia arms us with power. It reminds us that the body, when cared for with proper nourishment and movement, can remain strong and vibrant well into later years. Traditional cultures knew this well. Even without scientific names, they respected the body's needs with wholesome foods, regular labor, and natural healing. Today, with modern understanding and ancient wisdom combined, we have even more tools to defend our muscles naturally. Recognizing the early signs, like weakness, slower walking, or feeling easily fatigued, gives us a head start. And the solution doesn't lie in complicated treatments, it lies in daily choices rooted in tradition, good food, gentle movement, and mindful living. We must respect our muscles like old friends, for they have carried us through decades of life. They deserve care, and they respond beautifully to that care. Stay with us on this journey, because in the next number, we'll reveal one of nature's most powerful gifts, a simple, time-tested source of strength that has been building bodies since the dawn of time. You won't want to miss it. Number 2. The power of protein. Our ancestors understood that real strength came from real food. Before supplements and pills, it was hearty meals that built hearty bodies. Today, science reaffirms what tradition has always known: protein is the very foundation of muscle strength. As we age, the body's need for high-quality protein only increases, yet many seniors unknowingly eat less of it. Without enough protein, muscles quietly break down faster than they can rebuild, leading to weakness and frailty. But the good news is, the solution is simple and delicious. Foods like eggs, cottage cheese, yogurt, wild fish, and lean poultry are rich in complete proteins that fuel the muscles and keep the body resilient. Even plant-based options like lentils, beans, and quinoa can play a vital role when thoughtfully included. The key is not just eating more, but eating smarter, spreading protein evenly throughout the day, just like our elders did without even thinking about it. A protein-rich breakfast, a balanced lunch, and a nourishing dinner can keep your muscles quietly repairing and growing stronger each day. You don't need trendy diets or powders, you need the wholesome foods that nature has always offered. When we nourish our bodies properly, we reclaim energy, balance, and joy. Imagine feeling stronger getting out of a chair, steadier walking across the room, and more vibrant during family gatherings, all by embracing the timeless power of good nutrition. If you think protein is mighty, wait until you discover the ancient secret hidden in nature's golden oils, ready to shield your muscles from aging. Stay tuned, because the next number reveals a treasure from the earth, and see you'll want to add to your life immediately. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Long before supplements were invented, coastal and mountain communities understood the precious gifts that came from the sea and soil. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts, have been nature's quiet healers for generations. These healthy fats are not just good for the heart, they are powerful protectors of muscle health, especially as we age. Omega-3s combat the silent inflammation that often creeps into aging bodies, slowing down the breakdown of muscle and encouraging the rebuilding process. They nourish every cell, lubricate joints, and even help preserve the vital communication between nerves and muscles. Imagine strengthening your muscles and soothing your body at the same time, simply by adding a few servings of fish each week, or a sprinkle of flaxseed over your morning oatmeal. It's not magic, it's the simple wisdom of eating as nature intended. Our elders who lived by the sea, enjoying fish caught fresh each morning, rarely struggled with the severe muscle weakness so common today. Reintroducing these traditional foods into our modern diets is a beautiful way to honor both the body and the old ways that valued health through simplicity. You don't need expensive treatments, just the right choices at the table, made with love and care. Stay close, because if omega-3s are the golden oils of health. The next number brings you to the green guardians of strength. Humble yet mighty, they hold the key to daily renewal and resilience. Number 4. Leafy greens. Throughout history, leafy greens have been cherished as gifts from the earth, rich with vitality and healing power. In the gardens of old villages and family farms, spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard grew abundantly, woven into the meals of those who lived long, active lives. Modern science confirms what tradition has always taught us. These greens are packed with magnesium, potassium, iron, calcium, and antioxidants, all essential for strong muscles and vibrant health. Magnesium, in particular, plays a crucial role in helping muscles contract and relax properly, while potassium maintains the delicate balance of fluids that keeps cramping and weakness at bay. Just a simple daily serving of greens can lower inflammation, strengthen bones, and provide a deep, sustaining energy that supports a full, independent life. Whether tossed into salads, stirred into warm soups, or gently sautéed with olive oil, greens offer an easy, natural way to armor the body against the challenges of aging. Their vibrant colors are not just beautiful, they are visible signs of life-giving nutrients ready to be absorbed. By choosing to honor your meals with greens, you're honoring the deep wisdom passed down through generations, where health was not bought in bottles but grown with patience and care. And just when you think your plate is complete, a burst of sweetness awaits. In the next number, we'll discover how nature's most colorful fruits can wrap your muscles in a shield of protection and joy. You won't want to miss it. Number 5. Berries and citrus. Among the orchards and wild berry bushes of old, people instinctively understood that brightly colored fruits were gifts for the body and spirit. Today, science explains why. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, along with citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, are brimming with antioxidants and vitamin C, which are essential for protecting muscles from damage and decay. These powerful nutrients fight oxidative stress, a hidden enemy that silently breaks down muscle tissue over time. Vitamin C is also vital for producing collagen, the substance that holds muscles, tendons, and ligaments together in strength and flexibility. Just a handful of berries or a juicy orange each day can nourish your muscles, boost your immune system, and even lighten your mood. Their natural sweetness is a reminder that caring for your body can be both joyful and delicious. Instead of seeing food as a battle against aging, imagine it as a celebration of life, colorful, vibrant, and full of flavor. Adding a bowl of berries to your breakfast, or enjoying a crisp slice of orange after a meal connects you to centuries of wisdom, when people lived in harmony with the seasons and honored the gifts of the earth. Every bite of these fruits is a small, powerful act of self-love. But if you think berries are the final secret, think again. In our final number, we'll return to one of the most ancient traditions of nourishment, a simple yet profound elixir that has strengthened generations. Stay with us, you'll feel truly inspired by what's next. Number 6. Bone broth and traditional wisdom. In the kitchens of old, a pot of broth simmering on the stove was a sign of deep care, of nourishment made with love and patience. Bone broth, made by gently simmering animal bones with herbs, vegetables, and vinegar, is one of the most ancient and powerful remedies for muscle health and overall vitality. Rich in collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals like calcium and magnesium, bone broth offers a treasure trove of nutrients that support muscle repair, joint flexibility, and strong bones. Unlike processed foods, bone broth connects you to a slower, richer way of living, where healing came not from pills, but from the patient transformation of humble ingredients into life-giving nourishment. Sipping a warm cup of broth daily strengthens tissues, restores energy, and soothes the digestive system. It is food for both body and soul, a ritual of renewal passed down through generations who understood that true health is built with time, simplicity, and respect for nature. Making your own broth is easy: good bones, clean water, a splash of vinegar, and time. Let it bubble quietly, filling your home with its comforting aroma, and filling your body with resilience. With each sip, you honor yourself and the wisdom of those who came before you. Now that you know the powerful foods that protect your muscles and enrich your life, are you ready to see exactly how to weave them into your daily meals with joy and ease? Stay close, our next journey will guide you through a beautiful, nourishing weekly meal plan crafted just for you. Number 7. Fermented foods. Long before refrigeration and modern preservation methods, our ancestors turned to fermentation as a way to both preserve food and boost health. Sauerkraut, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and pickles were not just side dishes, they were seen as vital, life-giving foods. Today we understand why. Fermented foods are teeming with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut. But what does gut health have to do with muscle strength? Everything. A thriving gut improves nutrient absorption, ensuring that the body receives the maximum benefits from proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Without good digestion, even the best foods cannot be fully utilized. And muscles are left starved of the building blocks they need to stay strong. By including a small serving of fermented foods daily, you empower your body to better absorb calcium for bones, magnesium for muscle function, and antioxidants for cellular repair. Traditional wisdom shines here. Just a few forkfuls of fermented cabbage or a glass of kefir can light the internal fires of health, strengthening you from the inside out. These foods are simple, affordable, and easy to prepare at home, honoring the old ways where health was crafted patiently, lovingly, in our own kitchens. Reconnecting with fermentation is like welcoming an old friend, one who brings vitality and renewal with every meal. As you embrace this age-old practice, you'll find a lighter step, better energy, and a stronger sense of well-being flowing through you. But if you think strong muscles are built only with food, think again. In the next number, we'll explore the ancient practice that unites mind, breath, and body for lasting strength and grace. Get ready, this next secret will move you in every sense of the word. Number 8. Gentle strength training. Since the earliest times, physical movement was a way of life, woven naturally into daily routines, carrying water, tending gardens, walking miles to visit a neighbor. Strength came not from gyms or machines, but from living closely with the world around us. Today, science clearly shows that regular strength training, even in the simplest forms, is one of the most powerful ways to prevent and even reverse sarcopenia. And it doesn't require heavy weights or grueling routines. Gentle bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, light dumbbells, or even the mindful practice of yoga can awaken sleeping muscles, improve balance, and restore youthful energy. As we age, maintaining muscle strength means maintaining independence, vitality, and joy in everyday life. Gentle, consistent training improves posture, protects joints, and even lifts mood, making it a cornerstone of graceful aging. The key is consistency and listening to your body's natural rhythms, pushing enough to grow, but never so much that you strain or harm. By moving with respect and gratitude, you honor your body for the many years it has carried you. The beautiful truth is, it's never too late to start. Every step, every lift, every stretch reconnects you with the deep wells of strength that are still within you, waiting to be renewed. And now that you have discovered the foods and movements that support a strong, vibrant life, are you ready to learn the ultimate daily routine that will tie it all together seamlessly? Don't miss what's coming next. It's the crowning jewel of your wellness journey. Conclusion. If you benefited from this video even a little, we warmly invite you to share your thoughts with us in the comments. Your voice matters, and your experience could inspire someone else on their journey to strength and health. Which number touched your heart the most? Which simple change will you start today? Let's build a community where wisdom, support, and encouragement flow freely, just like the old days when neighbors helped neighbors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue walking this beautiful path together. We can't wait to hear your story below.